How to speed up multiple clips inside Davinci Resolve version 17. Use the first tool, which is the arrow selection mode. With it, select the clips that you want to speed up. Right click on those clips and go to new compound clip. This compound clip is similar to a folder, and inside those folders will be those free files. Click on create and the free files are inside. Now right click on this compound clip and you can use change clip speed. R is the hotkey for change clip speed, and here as speed you can type in, let's say, 200, and if I click on change it will leave a gap. So to not leave a gap and pull everything to the left, ripple sequence, check that one and click on change, and the clip was speed up and these clips were pulled to the left. Okay, so let's get into more details. Since we sped up this clip, let's just press R on it. The speed is 200%, that is 2 times faster, and thus is similar to compressing that video, so you get more frames per second. So before it was 29.97, now it's 59.94. So if you don't want to lose too many frames, use this higher frame rate, then we have to use this one, add that frame rate into there. So click on change, go here to the settings wheel, and on the master settings page at playback frame rate, type in there 59.94. Okay, save. And now you will have a more fluent video. Of course, only this part will be more fluent because it's sped up and it's using the 59 frames per second. This is at the original 29 frames per second. Okay, now since this one is inside a compound clip, if I want to modify something, how should I get into it? If I right click on it, I don't have the decompose option down here. Decompose is not available because the clip is sped up, so I have to remove that speed effect. If you know what effect you added, then go to speed and remove it, or you can use the remove attributes effect also. So let's go here to change clip speed and reset the speed by double clicking on the text and change. R was pressed. Since ripple sequence was also checked, now it also pushed everything to the right as it should. Now, since the speed effect was removed, I can decompose in place. If I go to decompose, instead of the compound clip, I will see those 3 original clips once again. Decompose in place. And voila, as a comparison, the folder disappeared and the files are shown instead. By the way, the compound clip is shown up here in the media pool. You can use that one also. If you drag it there, you can right click on that one also, and decompose is available because it's not sped up. And voila, we just decomposed the content of that compound clip. You can open the compound clip also by right clicking on it and open in timeline, and then only the components of these will be shown. So open in timeline, and now only those 3 are shown which are inside this. So to exit from this compound clip, compound is mentioned here, and to go to the left, just double click on the timeline, and it exited and is showing the timeline once again. By the way, you can delete the compound clip from here, remove selected clip and delete, and since there's no compound clip here, only the clips, now we can see everything. If we select it and compound clip, create it, and now delete this compound clip, remove selected clips, delete. Yes, delete the compound. Now, since we deleted the compound clip, it's not seeing the contents either. But of course, the rest of the clips which are identical, those are visible. Backspace and it's gone.